In the soft, muddy waters of the Snuggle River lived a hippo named Harriet. But tonight, she had a loud, wobbly, jiggly problem. Oh, dear. I ate my water lilies a little too. Hiccup! Quickly, her hiccup was so big, it made the mud go bloop bloop bloop. Just then, Gigi the giraffe stretched her long neck over the trees. Goodness, Harriet, I know just the thing. You need a fright. Now, don't look. Boo. But Harriet wasn't frightened. That was a lovely hiccup. Boo. Then, Milo the monkey swung down. I have the best cure. Stand on one leg, pat your head, and sing the banana song. Harriet giggled. Milo, if I stand on one leg, I'll fall right over. Seeing her friends trying so hard to help was so silly. A laugh started in her tummy. Hee hee, ha ha ha. And when the laugh was over, the hiccups were gone. Laughter was the best cure after all. Sweet dreams, friends. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Marl's Planet for more happy bedtime stories.